Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Echo. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Echo works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on September 17th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to Echo when it goes live. Now, the best part is you can get a discounted price for this digital product launch during this launch period of Echo. And this is a limited time offer, so make sure that you pick this up before the price will go up soon. Now, to get this discounted price, you can actually click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here, and we'll show you how you can get this product from here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. Just keep an eye on to my bonus banner and we'll go from here. Now, I want to describe what Echo is all about. Now, to put this briefly, Echo lets you create a self-running mega stores, also known as Echo. Now, these automated stores, you can sell both virtual and physical products backed by a proven track record of success. And the best part is the built-in traffic inside of Echo ensures that a thousand of the free buyers are visiting your online store. Now, Echo lets you select the done for you products that you want to have on your site. Now, these are all proven winners and are the same products that have been made six figures for the person who created this business method. Now, you'll be able to press continue button and you can pretty much publish and save your mega store. Now, this program will give you a domain to use and host the site for you. Now, that basically means that on your part, you don't have to worry about buying your own hosting. You don't have to worry about building your own content and website. Now, everything is made automatically for you. Now, Echo will also let you connect your PayPal or your Stripe account so you can get paid through your commissions once you make your sales. And then basically all you have to do is activate and build in traffic inside of the program and start getting buyer visitors to your platform, and that's how it works. Now, before I'm going to be showing you the demo, I want to talk about the benefits of Echo. Now, this program is great for overworked beginners who are struggling with trying to create content and not getting any money or sales from their hard work. So if you are one of those people, then you should consider checking out Echo. Now, this will give you up to speed and to start earning sales so you don't have to work as hard, and in return you are not going to get any results that you want if you keep working hard, and then basically you're just wasting time and energy. But with this program, if you purchase Echo through my link, you will also get my free bonuses from me once you purchase through my link. And then please check it out down below in the description of this video, and you will have everything that you need to get started working on your project for your online business. And we will give you all the tools that you have to do, and all you got to do is pretty much apply what you learn from this program and just sit back and relax. Now, I'm going to be showing you the demo of how Echo works. Now, sit back and relax, then enjoy this video of the demo of Echo.
Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to go through how to use our brand new software, Echo. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is to create a campaign. Okay, in create a campaign, you create a new campaign over here. And you'll be brought to this page to select a niche. Alright, so as we are all in the make money online niche, I'm going to select MMO, right? Make money online. Here you have the top 5 niche of the internet marketing industry all preloaded here for you. So first of all, you want to click on this MMO, make money online, and you want to give it a title. So this title is going to be reflected in the last page over here, and let's just call this work from home jobs. Okay, and in the description I've already pre-loaded and one of the descriptions here, and I'm just going to paste it over here. Okay, so here's my description for the Make Money Online campaign. Text is MMO retargeting. Here you can put any retargeting keywords that you want to use. Here, number of products, I'll just put 4. Okay, and it's going to be reflected here, 1 2 3 4. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Okay, next I'm going to give this campaign a name. All right, so it's just going to be work from home campaign. Okay, and the video source is going to be YouTube. So what this software does is it allows you to go to YouTube to search for the most highly popular video and to use that video to siphon all the traffic from there into your page. So I'm going to head over to YouTube and I'm going to key in Make Money from Home here. You see that? I'm going to key that in because that's relevant to my campaign, and I'm just going to look for a video with really high views. Okay, so let me just scroll down and let's take a look at this one. 9.8 million views, 10 legit ways to make money and passive income online. I'm going to click on this video. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to grab the URL of the video. Okay, and I'm literally gonna start getting in traffic from this viral video. So I'm just put the URL here. Okay, once it's done, you can see it appearing here. Alright, I'm going to click on next. And here I'm going to select a product. So we have pre-installed the Make Money Online products. Alright, in this case, we have pre-installed them. And I'm going to select the offer from ClickBank. So first one is Perpetual Income 365. I'm going to put it there. The prices are all there. And your affiliate links are all here. Okay, it's all integrated based on the integrations before over here on this tab. Alright, once this is done, I'm going to click on the second product. I'm going to select the second product from ClickBank that we have pre-installed, and it's all here with your affiliate links. I'm going to go to the third product. I'm going to click on Social Paid Jobs. This is another pre-installed product that I've selected. Okay, so you can see here it's all reflecting here. Next, I'm going to click on the last product, and this is called Work from Home Jobs, and you can see it's also reflected here. Once that's done, I'm going to click on Next. Alright, now it's time to edit your player. So you see this bar over here, that's the bar of the player. So I can select the color. So maybe I want it to be a bit orangey. There you go, it changes to orange. I'll leave control bar there. Here you can select whether you want to autoplay or not. Right? Here I can choose the size of the text. Okay, you see all these texts here. I can choose the title. I can change the title size, make it smaller, make it bigger. I can choose the title color. Okay, I can choose the price. You see the prices there. Okay, I can change the prices color and the size of the price as well. The call to action button here, learn more. I can actually change the text, change the button color and all that stuff. Alright, I'm just going to leave it as default over here, and I'm just going to go on to sharing. Here I can choose to turn on all the social shares. You see that? So I'm going to click on yes for all of them. All the social shares are here. Okay, and for the brand, I can choose to put it on. I can choose to add it in. You see, once you put it on, there's going to be a logo over here, and this logo can be a logo of your choice. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to remove it. Alright, and I'm going to click on next. Alright, so this is a brand new feature that we've added in as well. So here you can actually choose to select your opt-in box, or you can choose not to have the opt-in box in, and based on your integrations of the autoresponder, you can select your list. Alright, select autoresponder. You can give the opt-in box a name. You can give it a color, put a call to action. You can also customize how many seconds do you want the opt-in box to appear, how many seconds after do you want it to disappear, and the position of the box. Okay, because I haven't integrated any GetResponse account yet, so in this demo video I'm going to leave this out, but you can actually do it, and you can actually start capturing leads as well. Alright, so this is another amazing tool that we have added. I'm going to click on next, and here I'm going to just preview the very simple page that I've created with this software, and I can literally use any videos from YouTube that are viral to start capturing leads, or to start bringing people to affiliate links that belongs to me. Okay, so here when I click on this first icon, I can actually embed this entire video into any of my blogs. So if I've got a website, I can embed this video into my website. Alright, I can just simply copy the code and embed it in. So if I want to share the page itself, I can simply click on this icon here, and it's going to bring me to the page that I've just created. So you can see here it's all functioning. All you need to do is to click on play, and you know your viewers they will be able to see this video here that you have selected. That's the title over there. Social sharing links are on the side. Okay, and you can see every single of these products that you have selected. It's all here. So what you can do with this software is it's very simple and it's very amazing. You can select any viral video out there that's already proven to convert on YouTube, and you can literally hijack their traffic by sharing this page instead of the YouTube video to your subscribers or to your audiences, and you will be able to get traffic and get them excited over the video. At the same time, they will be able to make a selection of product that they want to purchase. So you can basically click on here, and when you click on this link here, learn more, it's going to bring you or bring your subscribers or bring your readers to this product that's on ClickBank, and this product is tagged to your affiliate link. So you're going to start generating sales with proven traffic or with proven sales pages. Okay, and another thing you can use on this software is also you can select YouTube videos that are review videos in nature. So you can select other people's review videos that they have done, and you can start siphoning off the traffic from there and pushing them to your affiliate links. Right, so how cool is that? Okay, so here you can see that this is the description that you have typed in previously, and here there's social shares as well, and you can also type in comments, and all these comments are going to stay there. It's a way of social proof as well. Okay, so feel free to grab hold of this. And next up, if you want to start echoing your traffic and sharing it to over 60 different social platforms, you can simply go to echo your traffic. You can select the campaign that we have done, so that's going to be work from home campaign, and you can literally select from all of the social sharing sites that we have provided for you. So if you want to click on, let's say, Facebook, you just have to select Facebook, and you can start sharing this link that we have created in your Facebook profile. Okay, and that's where you can start siphoning off traffic into proven videos that other people have done for you to start making commissions, and people are going to start sharing this link or this video because it's proven to go viral, and that's where your traffic echoes on forever and ever. Okay, so that's all I have for this demo. I hope that this demo has been useful. Go ahead, if you would like to grab hold of this product, go ahead and click on any link around this page. Alright, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care.
Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Echo, this is going to go live on September 17th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these orange buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Now, if you decide to purchase through my link, you're going to get a $4 off with this product. And then right over here is where you can actually go ahead and pick this up. Now, you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you. And all you need to do, first of all, is click on the link down below in this video to check out my free bonuses here. Just scroll down and click on any of these orange buttons here to go through to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page down below. You can actually send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses, by the way, are super valuable, And I just mentioned to you earlier that is completely free of charge, and even if you just pick up the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $17. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase to those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now please consider checking out all the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Now over here, you can actually find this information for the upgrades. If you click the link down below my video, you can scroll down, and please feel free to look around with the available upgrades of this product. It's gonna help you increase more money once you decide to purchase the upgrades of Echo. Now when you click the link down below in the description of Echo, I will actually offer you my free bonuses. Now this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. Now if you have any questions about the bonuses, you can find me on my Facebook page. I'm actually gonna put my Facebook page down below into my video, or you can find it onto my bonus page. You can send me a message right there. I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Echo. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 20th. So make sure that you look up for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $17 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Echo review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video. Now make sure to click the link below to purchase Echo at a discounted price, and also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.